EMENOX La Solara Noida Extension. Emenox La Solara project is developed by EMENOX Group in Sector 16 Greater Noida West Noida Extension. Project is situated on 60-meter wide 4-lane main road. In this project we have total land bank of 4 acres, and in this area we are making only 4 towers. We have total 670 flats in this residential society. We are using latest international concept of construction technology in this project. There is no chance of leakage in future, and also it is earthquake-resistant structure. All 4 towers A, B, C, D are designed so perfectly that there is no shadow fall on any tower. All units are corner units with the height of G+21. In front of EMENOX La Solara 100-meter facility zone is available, in which 2 international schools are already running, 1 authority commercial is going to build with ATM spaces, 1 indoor game sports academy is also under construction, and 1 hospital's fencing has done. 4 acres land bank. 4 tower at corner. G+21 structure. 672 apartments. 20 commercial shop. 2 acres green park. No apartment on ground floor. 2-level basement parking. Balcony with stainless steel and toughened glass. 3 side open flat. 15,500 square feet clubhouse. 2,800 square feet swimming pool. Party hall with the capacity of 150 plus people. Cafeteria with intercom facility. Deck area attached with swimming pool. 3 lift in every tower. Sitting room for senior citizen in tower. State Bank of India funding. EMENOX La Solara construction updates. La Solara project is known for best quality of construction in Sector 16 Noida Extension. This project is having 3 side corner flats with stainless steel and toughened glass balcony. Project is situated on 60-meter main road. Possession of Phase 1 is in June 2019. Possession of Phase 2 is in December 2020. This property is in 4-acre land bank and having 4 towers all are at corner. Project is having 2 to 3 BHK apartment with 11 feet floor to floor height. The La Solara project has entrance lobby with a water feature body on main gate. We have given 3 lifts of Mitsubishi in every tower. We haven't developed any flat on ground floor. We have used ground floor as a covered green park for children's, so that they can play in that place in summertime without facing sun. Popular banks have been included in our project, such as HDFC, ICICI, SBI. 0.80% loan banks are providing in this projects. RERA registered project. La Solara project is approved from Greater Noida Authority and Uttar Pradesh. RERA La Solara is approved from all banks including State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC, India Bulls. Project is registered in UP RERA UP RERA PRJ 2733. Phase 1 is going to delivered in June 2019 and Phase 2 we are going to hand over in December 2020.